how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change screen recording video quality on your Android phone, so especially in Samsung Galaxy phone. So this method I am trying in my Samsung phone. Okay, so just open the phone settings like this. In the phone setting, scroll down and find out advanced feature and open it. Okay, like this. And here guys, scroll down and find out screenshot and screen recorder. Open it like this, and here you can get the option video quality. If you want to change the video quality of your screen recorder, from here open it, and here you can get three options: high 1080p, medium 720p, and low 480p. From here you can easily able to change this. Okay, so this is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.